Let us finish section 6.3. We have one thing left. So let me go back to this handout. In this handout, we discussed how to prove set identities. However, what we have not discussed yet is the following. What if we want to disprove something? For example, please take a look at this. Over here. A minus B union B minus C is equal to A minus C. Let us try to disprove. We have to come up with a control example. Step one, we draw a Venn diagram. This is A, this is B, this is C. Next step, let us put numbers inside each region. Here's what I mean by that. Region number one, let me zoom in. Region number one, number two, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we denote the whole thing by 8. Next, let us consider the following sets. A, which consists of 1, 2, 4, 5. According to this picture, indeed, this set A consists of 1, 2, 4, 5. Similarly, B consists of the following numbers: 2, 3, 5, 6. It's exactly what we see here: 2, 3, 5, 6. Lastly, set C consists of the following numbers: 4, 5, 6, 7. It's exactly what we have here: 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let us go back to our identity. The left-hand side is A minus B union B minus C. So let us find A minus B first. A is this, B is this. Therefore, A minus B consists of just two numbers, 1, 4. Similarly, B minus C is 2, 3, and A minus C is 1, 2. Now, the left-hand side is A minus B union B minus C, which is 1, 4 union 2, 3, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Note that A minus B union B minus C is not equal to A minus C, which gives us a control example. We are done. Any questions here?
Is there a situation where a Venn diagram drawing might not be the most convenient way to solve the problem?
Well, in this course, the best way to come up with a control example is to draw Venn diagrams. Moreover, please take a look how we draw Venn diagrams. We wish to make sure that all three sets have common elements. We don't draw, for example, C somewhere separately. AB have common elements, BC have common elements, AC have common elements, and ABC have common elements. This gives us as many degrees of freedom as we need in order to come up with a control example.
Yes.
Does this answer your question?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. By the way, we can use this method in order to check if our identity is true. We draw a Venn diagram, we put numbers. If everything is fine, then try to prove it. If you see that we get a contradiction, here's a control example.